Well, hello everyone. I'm back to my Ratchet content. I'm not gonna be fully invested into Ratchet and Clank anymore. I'm just gonna talk about what this game means to me personally, since it's 10 years old. I think when I'm uploading yeah, around the 10-year anniversary, which feels weird. So, the year was 2022. I was 11? Yeah, I was 11. I got my PlayStation 5 for my birthday, and it was at the time where no one owned a PS5. That's how rare it was. Back to that. So it was around. So I got it. I only had Gran Turismo 7 and one other game. I think it was Planet Coaster. My cousins came over that day on May 22nd. Well, the first time I played this was probably in 2021. I remember being like, oh, this is so cool. I wasn't able to play it because I couldn't figure out how to skip the cutscenes, which, yeah, then I got my PlayStation 5. I eventually got my cousins came over and introduced me to this game. In this franchise, so a while after, my cousin was like, hey, do you want this game? I don't play it anymore. And I'm like, oh boy, do I. So I bought it. It was for free. I've not given this game back to him in like 3 years. Coming up to be 4. So I got it, and oh my god, I played it every day. It was one of my favorite. At one point in my life, this was my favorite game of all time. It helped me get through high school. It showed me how to complete games. This means a lot to me. It helped me through a pretty. 2022 was a pretty great year for me, but I don't know. So yeah, I played this a lot, then I didn't pick it up until around late 2023 when my obsession began. Yeah, I know, it's weird. But I was watching this video Ratchet and Clank in a nutshell or something like that. I know there was an iceberg, a spoof, and with memes. But anyway, in a nutshell, where I found it really funny. I remember showing my friend the Deadlocked review. But anyway, that nutshell got me to think about the soundtracks. And I was like, oh my god, this is so fire. Then, a couple months later, I think around late 2023 to early 2024, I started listening to the soundtracks. And I was like, oh my god, this is so peak. Except for Ratchet 3, I never really listened to that game soundtrack. My opinions flip-flopped. I loved Ratchet 2 and Ratchet 3. No, Gladiator soundtrack. Oh my god. Anyway, fast forward back to January 2024. I finally get past. What was one of them was it Nebula G34? Yeah, I finally killed the Snaggle Beast. This probably sounds insane to people that don't know what that is. I've killed the Snaggle Beast. got rid of all the BS, then I decided to play through it, and I liked it way more than I thought I did. And I got Spider-Man, which Spider-Man is one of Miles Morales especially. That game is so good. The Venom powers, it's absolute cinema. Anyway, the point is, this game means a lot to me, and for its 10th anniversary, yeah, I thought it'd be fitting. A lot of Ratchet people never really like this game, which, if you're like a hardcore fan, which I'm not, for as big of a fan as I was of this series, I only played this game and Rift Apart. Yeah. Honestly, I'm so thankful for my cousin to get me this game. Without it, I don't know who I'd be. I don't want to be like over exaggerating, like, I don't know. In my opinion, without this game, I do not know where I would have been. Like, this is the first game I've ever completed, and I'm proud that I got it. And for its 10th anniversary, I figured not many people would talk about this game. So I decided, hey, why not? I'm going to talk about it. And showcase the Insomniac Museum. I sound like I'm crying, but I'm not. My nose is just pretty stuffy. And this is all the weapons. Yeah, I would, like, there are a few flaws, but this means a lot to me because it was one of the first games I ever completed, so... yeah. Thanks to my parents for this. And yeah. The card collection... like, can I like, I fully completed this. You have to do every single card, which some may call it a waste, I call it just let me live. I did see the movie a few months ago, like, actually while I was doing the long play of this series last year, I watched it and I was like, are you serious? I knew a lot of people didn't like it, but I thought to myself, wow, I'm impressed how bad this was. I did get into a bit of a scuffle, not like physically, but like, why don't you? You can't give a reason, which, true. True. I just want to express why this game means a lot to me. It helped me get through some pretty weird times in my life, and I can't thank Insomniac enough. I like, this isn't really scripted because, I don't know. People do say, oh, this is an upgrade of Tools of Destruction, where they are right. I can't blame them for that, but like, I think this game is still really fun. The weapons are cartoony, but I haven't fully played this in years, but I can play it like really easily though. I've played this game so many times, like I've put 132 hours into it. And, oh, you didn't actually get it super early. New to old. my newest was July 2025, June 2024, May, April, where I must have grinded this game in 7th grade. I must have had a few bad weeks, and yeah. April, January, where how did it take me 2 months? I must have planned on doing it, but then I didn't bother playing it for like months and months. Yeah, the least October 2022 and December. That was a massive gap. Massive. I'm sorry. Yeah, I have so many. Like May 2022, and show you proof I got this on my birthday. YouTube don't copyright me for that. Astrobot, where I platinumed everything. I only had to do that one where it was really annoying. It took me over a year. April 2022. 12th of April. So, on this day, 4 years ago, I unboxed my PS5 and set it up. God, those 4 years were insane. Like, I could keep going, but I don't think you guys would really care. But point is, I want to explain why I love Ratchet and Clank 2016 and why it means so much to me, and could showcase parts of it that I missed. So yeah, also if any of you guys make fun of my game collection, I mean, to each their own. I got this because of the amount of multiplayer memories I had with my cousins. Call me weird for having Mega Man. What the? Gran Turismo Sport is still peak. Or I don't own PS Plus, but anyway. I'll probably try to get Tomb Raider. Oh well. Yeah, this will be my last video for a couple months, but I'm still on break, but yeah. I'll try to keep people posted, but people leaving, like YouTube and such. Like, I'm in the animation, YouTube animator, storytime niche, and a lot of people. Some are leaving, but most are staying, and there's some stuff going on which I'd like to talk to people about. Oh well. Yeah, there was. I know that there was one anime that's like, I'm leaving Portugal and moving to Thailand. He had a British accent, but I never subscribed to him. I don't know who it was. If someone could tell me, like, I have a lot of subscribed animators, but I don't think he's on that list. Which, I don't know why I didn't. I don't know. See ya. Glad talking to ya. Yeah. I'll probably tag all of the animators I wrote down in my notebook. For shits and giggles, because it's cool. Point is, goodbye, frat. Goodbye. Don't worry, I'm not disappearing for a couple months. I'm just taking a bit of a break again. I'll probably do more gaming related videos, but you don't really care about that. The point is, goodbye. I hope you guys have fun, alright? See you on the flip side.